First, connect your computer or device to the TP-Link router's Wi-Fi network or use an Ethernet cable to connect directly to the router. Then, open a web browser such as Chrome or Firefox, and enter the router's IP address in the address bar. The default TP-Link IP address is usually 192.168.0.1, then press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once you access the router's IP address, you will be prompted to enter the password. Input the correct password you have set for your router, then click Login button. Once logged in, you should see the router's settings dashboard. Locate and click on System Tools option in the menu and then select Password. Enter your current password, then enter your new password and confirm the new password in the appropriate fields. After entering the new password, click the Save button to save the changes you've made. After saving the changes, you can first log out of the system and log in again using the new password. Use the new password you just set to access the router's web interface. Congratulations! You have successfully changed the password on your TP-Link router. Remember to store the new password in a safe place. If you're unsure about any of the steps or encounter difficulties, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.